In this video, we will see how to set up an automation in your WhatsApp marketing. So before we set up the automation for WhatsApp, you need to have your WhatsApp business API account connected, configured, and synchronized to Cratio CRM. And templates should have got approved from Facebook. You should have created the segments in the lead. So if you don't know how to create these three things, you can watch a video where we in the WhatsApp campaign video where we have explained all these steps. You can understand that. Then you can come to this particular video where we will explain more about the automation part. So log in into the Cratio CRM and go to the WhatsApp section and go to automation. If you go to WhatsApp automation, so you can see the existing automation or you can create a new automation. So let's create a new automation. Give a name, give a description. So let's say lead nurturing. So select a lead module and so now set a condition. Whether you need to send it to all the new leads or you can send it to specific leads like Facebook leads, or you can create any segment and you can send to that segment alone. So in this scenario, we will select all new leads. The next condition is run once or run multiple times. In this scenario, we will just run once, which means when a new lead is coming, just send one set of sequence to that new lead. You don't need to repeat it. Here, we can create a sequence of message. The difference between campaign and automation is in campaign, normally you send one message to a set of customers. In automation, you personalize, you send a series of messages to a customer. Let's say when somebody gives you an inquiry, the first day after the inquiry, immediately you send a thank you message. After one day, you send some unique thing about your company. The third or fourth day, you send them an offer. Fifth or sixth day, you put a reminder or follow up, or you can send some benefits or case studies. So like this, you can send a series of messages. So in a personalized way, it will nurture and bring the customers back to you. So how to create that series? This is the place where you will create it. So you can create multiple messages like this, and in the individual message, you can select a template. Let us say this is the template you are creating. So in this scenario, we'll create a simple template. So this template is loaded here. So what is the condition? Send this template immediately to the customer. Because it's the first message, we are sending it immediately to the customer. Right? So let's create another message. So message 2, we'll select a template. Now the second message we'll send after one day. Right? The next day we'll send this. We'll create the third message, day 5. Create this message. Now let us send this after the first day. We will send after third day, right? So we will send after 2 days. So now what the software will do is it will select this template, send it immediately as soon as somebody gives you inquiry. Then it will select this message. It will wait for 1 day. It will send after 1 day. Then it will wait further 2 days and it will send this message. Then the last step is you need to provide a stop condition. So now you are trying to send a sequence of message. What if the customer is already given you an order, or your sales team have talked to the client and they feel that it's a junk lead, right? So you don't need to send messages for them, right? So what you put is you send messages only for all the active leads. Active leads means the leads where you are marked as junk, lost, one, all these leads will get removed automatically. So all the new customers, new leads whom are actively your team is talking or who are active in the system, for them alone, this will send the message. So it's a smart system where if somebody when you lose a lead or win a lead, it will remove them automatically because you are putting a stop condition where it will only enable to the active customers. So in the stop condition, basically it's a negative condition. So what you need to do is you need to select a segment where you exclude that customers from the list. So in this scenario, it should not be all active leads. it should be all lost customer. Right? So all closed to lost customer. Or it should be all closed to one customer. Let's say you want to exclude both. Then you create a segment for one and lost customer. Then you put that condition. So basically it's a negative condition, which means by default the software will send to all the new leads. But once this condition matches, it will remove them from the automation. This is how the whole automation works. Then you have to save and start, means it will start the automation, or when you save, it will be in the draft state like this. Now we have created this. Now you can click here and then you can start. So I'll show you one sample which we have created a live setup. So basically it's a nurturing setup we have created. So if you see here, this is how we are creating and sending message up to 10 days. You see here we can see that how many customers received that message, whether they read it. So all the statistics also you can see it here. And what message also you can check the template by clicking here. So if you want to see more detailed analytics about the automation, then you go to the analytics section where you can see the complete details of how many messages went from the automation, day wise, week wise, month wise performance, everything you can see it in the analytics section. Thank you.